Hello, friends, and welcome back to this place again. And today I am going to teach you a few rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. This is actually the second part of our narration videos. I have already done one video in which I have explained that what direct speech and indirect speech means and what is the basic requirements we should do to convert a direct speech into indirect speech. Today we will discuss about few rules which are very useful as well as necessary to convert a direct speech into indirect speech. So here we go. The first thing is changing assertive sentences. We are using a lot of assertive sentences in our daily communication, or a lot of assertive sentences we see. In such sentences, verb in the reporting is a changed to tell or told with an object. But if there is no object, we use say and said. Let's see these examples and try to illustrate this. In direct speech, if I'm using he says I am a doctor, in indirect it will become he says that he is a doctor. No inverted commas in indirect. Use of conjunction that and am is got converted into is. Here what I have done is, here what we have seen is, see, he says, there is no object here. So says will become says that. And if we have object in the sentence, like he says to me is an object here. He says to me, I am a doctor. In indirect, we can write it as he tells me that he is a doctor. Here, let me tell you one more thing. You must be thinking that if my direct speech is in present tense, here I should convert the tense. Exactly. But if the reporting verb is in the present tense, the tenses of the direct speech do not change. So we can write it as he says that he is a doctor, or he tells me that he is a doctor. Make sure, let me repeat it for you. If the reporting verb is in the present tense, the tense of the direct speech do not change. Let me explain you this. If the reporting verb is in the present or future or reported speech is a universal truth, the tense of the reported speech does not change. For present tense, we have just seen the example like he says I am a doctor. So we can write it in indirect as he says that he is a doctor. Let us consider a universal truth. In direct speech, it can be the teacher said to the students, the sun rises in the east. Now, sun rises in the east is a universal truth we know. So in indirect, it will become teacher told the students that the sun rises in the east. Here the necessary changes we have done. One is no inverted commas in indirect speech. Then we have used conjunction that, but there is no change in the tense. The sentence, the sun rises in the east, is as it is. Here in indirect speech, the sun rises in the east. The next thing we have to take care is when the reporting verb is in the past tense. All present tenses of the direct are changed into the corresponding past tense. That is, simple present will get converted into simple past. Present indefinite, actually simple present is same as that of present indefinite. It will get converted into past indefinite. Present continuous will get converted into past continuous. present perfect will be changed in past perfect, and present perfect continuous will change in past perfect continuous. See this example. He said, I have passed the examination. Here, the sentence is in present perfect tense. Now, while converting into indirect, I will convert the tense into past perfect. Like, he said that he had passed the examination. Here, had is showing that the tense here is past perfect. Similarly, the changes in past tense will take as, if the reported verb is past indefinite, it will get converted into past perfect. If it is in past continuous, it will get changed into past perfect continuous. But there will be no change in case of past perfect and past perfect continuous. See here, in direct speech, he said the pet dog died in the night. In indirect, it will become, he said that the pet dog had died in the night. That is, as a rule, the simple past in the direct becomes past perfect in the indirect speech. In future tense, there are very easy to understand. Will and shall will get changed into would and should. Other than this, what we can change in indirect speech is may into might, can, could. And actually, might is a past form of may, and similarly, could is the past form of can. Have to will get changed into had to. There will be no change in case of should and must. And had to will get changed into had to. Some other words can be changed as now can get changed into then, because it is it can be as an expression of place or expression of time, and here will become there, and today will become that day, and tomorrow will become the next day. Tomorrow will become the next day, etc. So these are a few changes what we can do in indirect speech. So friends, for today, this is it. Until our next video, keep learning, keep watching.